Hey everybody, welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. I know it has been quite a while since I've come out with any videos, but I'm going to start ramping those up again, okay? In the last year, just been busy with life like all of us. Also been doing quite a bit with crypto, and it's been working out really well for me. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some videos on crypto for those of you that haven't delved into that yet. But let's go ahead and we're going to get started. Today's video is going to be about TD Ameritrade's ThinkorSwim platform. I'm going to show you guys how to create a scanner, a pre-market scanner, so you can analyze which stocks are gapping up. And then also you can use it as an end of day scanner. So if you want to see if that trend continues for tomorrow, you'll be able to get a feel for maybe what stocks you want to watch tomorrow, okay? So let's go ahead and we will get started. Let me turn off my background here. I am not in San Francisco, so boop, there I am. In the house. It's nighttime. We'll go ahead and we will get started. But before I do, two things real quick. Look over here. If you are into investing, please hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be coming out with all sorts of new videos. I have a bunch already. And then also smash the like button, guys. I'm going to give you guys a lucky person. I'm going to give you a thin wallet. Since we're into finance, I'm going to have a drawing and I'm going to give away a thin wallet, okay? You can put your cards in there. It's also got a money clip. And let me show you how thin this is. I used to have like the world's fattest wallet, and it would give me sciatic. My wife would be on me all the time to get rid of it. And so I started carrying this, and look how thin that is. You can put money in there. It's metal. So I'm going to be giving this away free for you guys. All you have to do to enter, I'm going to be doing a drawing at the end of the week, each week. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then also put your Instagram username into the comments down below. And I will choose one lucky person to win the wallet, and I will mail it to you free of charge. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to share my screen with you. Go into the ThinkorSwim platform, and here we go. So this is the ThinkorSwim platform for people doing trades with TD Ameritrade. And what you're going to want to do, you're probably used to seeing something like this, but I'm going to show you how you can create your own market scanner. So let me move my photo here. Let me get this out of the way. So when you come in here initially, you might see some stuff right up in this area here. Hopefully you can see my mouse moving. You want to clear that out first. It's a kind of a thin window. It doesn't have much flexibility on stretching it that I've been able to find. But if you slide over here to the right, you'll see a little tiny X next to one of the other filters, and you can just X those out so that you have nothing here. And the first step we're going to do is we're going to go up here to add filter, and we're going to choose stock, and you'll see something appear here. And then we're going to do it one more time, add filter, stock. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change these two areas here. The first one, I'm going to go with volume because we're wanting to create a scanner based upon volume. And then the next one, I'm going to set it based upon last. Over here next to volume, I'm going to choose 100,000. I'm going to leave the right side empty. And then over here under last, this is the amount that you want to search within, the price range that you want to search within. So because I'm not into penny stocks, I'm just going to start with, let's say, $20 to, let's say, $50 here. And you have to type it out. You have to put the decimal and the 00 in there. And then you click scan, this green button right here on the right side margin. And you will see here there are 1,015 showing 200 of 1,015 results. So that's a lot of stocks to be monitoring. I want to thin that out just a little bit more. So I'm going to change this 50 to a 30. And you can do whatever you want. If you want to buy stocks 50 to 100, 100 to 200, whatever you want to do, you can change that. And even though you might save this, you can change it later on to whatever you want. So let's see here. We're just waiting for it to load. We'll just give it a second here. Yeah, I'm really excited about the crypto. I've done really well with it. For about 6 months, 7 months straight, I was 98% profitable on all my trades. And then back in May, you'll know a lot of things happened. Okay, here we are. It's up and running again. So you can see here, here's all the stocks. I'm going to narrow this just to 50. For example, I'll choose show 50 and I'll search scan again. And then I've got 50 in here. And I can, choose any of these categories here to sort by, sift by. But let's say I want to start analyzing these. Maybe I'm using it for a pre-market scanner and I've got maybe, 20 minutes left before the market starts, and I want to be able to quickly find something that's gapping up. So what I can do is I'll show you the long way, and then I'm going to show you a trick. Okay. So if you come in here and you see AADI is one of them, I could come up here to the charts and I could just type that in here, but it's already in here. I added it just a moment ago, AADI, and then I hit go, and here is the chart. But rather than me having to go back to scan, AAN, come over here, type in AAN. Rather than me doing all that, I'm going to show you a trick. You can come over here on the left side margin, and down here on the bottom left, you'll see a little plus sign. And then what you can do is you can choose, I want to create a watch list. So I have a new watch list. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, well, first of all, I need to save my scanner. So I'm going to come over here and see where it says add condition group. If I click on the little section here on the right with the little hamburger there, I can save my scan query. And I'm just going to call it Ryan's pre, not Prez, Ryan's pre. It's just so I can show you where it's at. And then I'll click save. Okay, so now it is saved into my watch lists, but I have my new watch list here that I just created by clicking the plus sign, going to watch list, and then it appeared. But I want to choose which watch list I want to appear on the screen here. So I'm going to change indexes. Yours might say something else. And then I'm going to come up here to personal. And then if I slide over to the right and go down, you will see Ryan's pre. And there it is. It is there now. And I can scroll. I've got the 50 in there. And now what I can do is I can go to my charts and I can just click on one of them. And you'll notice that nothing happened. It didn't appear over here. I still got AAN. So what I need to do is I need to click on this little symbol link right here, the little, I don't know, looks like a chain link. If I click on it, I need to make sure that it matches this yellow number right here, or whatever you want to do. So I'll change it to yellow. So this one is yellow now, and this one is yellow now. So now if I click on any of these, you'll see that it changes. There's AADI, there's AAN, there's ABCM. And then what I can quickly do is I can come in here and start doing my technical analysis before the market starts, or I can do it in the evening time and I can get a feel for what ended on a good note, and it might have that momentum going into tomorrow's trades. So that's how you do it. I'm going to be coming out with other scan tools and tips and tricks for you guys. So please, again, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and also put your Instagram username in the comments down below, because we want to make sure that you get a new wallet. Okay. So thanks guys for watching, and I appreciate you guys hanging out, and I look forward to seeing you on future videos that I'm going to be putting together. All right, guys, take care and have a great day.